We also saw some promising signs when it came to U.S. weekly export sales, but was it enough to move markets? Michelle Rook is back with Mike Miner in this morning's Markets Now.
Mike Miner with Professional Ag Marketing is joining us, and it was a quietly higher day in the grains. But Mike, we really have just been kind of consolidating this week under the highs from Monday, haven't we, in most of these grains?
Yeah, especially in the corn and soybean markets, we continue to consolidate. And watching some things like the Bollinger Bands on corn, for example, they're really coming in close here. And at the time of the year that we're at right now, Michelle, I'm really looking for a breakout to come here in the end of February or sometime in early March on this corn market specifically. And we've got things like the Feb outlook coming around the 23rd and 24th. I'm looking for that to have some impact on the markets, kind of start to talk more about the 23 crop year to come. But up front here, soybeans continue to be one of the main movers and shakers on these grain markets.
Yeah, talk about that, because soybean meals had a big break from the contract highs. But, do we have all of the South American weather story kind of played out in these markets now? Is it top in?
Pretty much. I mean, Argentina here, we've pretty much ran our course. Meal failed to break above $500 again on the front month here, a continued sign of resistance. And historically, we do not spend a lot of time above $500 on the soybean meal contract. And getting towards this stage in that Argentina crop, I would expect them to stop talking so much about their dry weather. We pretty much know what their crop size is in the higher 30s, low 40s. And USDA's pretty much adjusted accordingly here, surprisingly.
And now you're going to get some Brazilian harvest pressure too.
Exactly.
Yeah. What about the wheat market? We looked like we were putting in some more premium. Do we need to put a little more in?
A little bit. I would say we're just starting. We haven't traded the wheat market really hard off Russian news in a long time. So it'll be exciting again to see if we can start trading some of that. And I think that could help money flow come back into these grains.
Yeah, we're especially watching to see if the export corridor continues to be open or the deal is extended, right?
Exactly, because Russia is still the largest wheat exporter in the world. And if we do see some conflict with them, we could see their numbers back off a little bit and see U.S. numbers pick up.
Thanks so much for joining us, Mike Miner, Professional Ag Marketing. More Ag Day coming up.